bit by bit. I'm gonna get my bricks out in the sticks, bit by bit. I'm gonna